Paint polishing. We've all got our preferred ways, haven't we? This is the finish I've got out of the gun, which from 2 or 3 metres away looks pretty good, but it's very orange peely. So it needs polishing. And I've tried normal wet and dries down to 2000, but it still leaves big scratches that won't cut out. So I've gone over to these are Trizac discs. That's 1500 and that's 3000. And they're quite expensive, they're about £5 each. And I've only got one of these just to try it. But it seems to be lasting forever. But this side has been cut down with 1500, the Trizac disc, and you can still see the reflection of the house across the road there. And then cut it down with, I'll do it next with 3000, and then I'm going for this Verrecla brand. And I bought this as a kit, so you get the course, the finishing, and then a wax. And I've done a bit here, and this is one go over with the coarse polish after 3000 grit, and that's pretty good. Can you see me? Hair needs cutting. And it's all done by hand, I'm not using a machine. You can see where you're being if you do it in diagonal cuts. As you can see there, I've got, well, maybe you can't see, but diagonal stripes. So I'll now go the other way with 3000, and I might use a machine on the polisher to go over these big areas and see how I get on. And that's the finish after the abrasive. And we're in shade here. I'll do a picture when the sun's on it. That's like a mirror. And this stuff is supposed to polish out 1500 sanding marks, which it probably would, but I've done this by hand, and it was okay, but I wouldn't want to take out 1500 with that. And I don't like a machine. I used a machine on the other side and I got in trouble and I burnt through and I've had to respray a spot. This is where I got in trouble. So I've had to spray a spot there that I cut through. So try and get that back to normal. I don't know if you can hear me, we've got roadworks going on here. But I've done this side with a DA machine, electric one, a DIY machine, and that's gone alright. And I've gone back and by hand and addressed any scratches that were left. And with this Verrecla kit you get a couple of pads. This one for coarse, and you get a fine one as well. So I'm going to try this on the DA and see what happens. Roadwork's still going on. But this is the back end done now. Excuse the swearing in the background. And so I can show you sort of half in shadow and half polished. And is it perfect? Of course it's not, but if I'd paid for this job I'd be quite pleased with it. And only one mess up, I've cut through here on the other side. I'll have to touch that up. But all done by hand. I did try the machine on here and it left pigtails. Pick up a bit of grit on the machine and you can't hear it, and you just, well, you end up worse than when you started. So Okay, a bit more. And that's good enough for me.